Hey everybody, back for another little flower video. So these are just, as I said, beginners, simple little flowers. I'm working with glass sticks today. So these are little handy sticks we've got. We've got them in transparent, in shimmer glass, opaque, so lots of different colours there. And what we're going to do is just make some little daisies. So how I've done this one is I've just cut diagonally down the glass. So start off with your first cut, and I roughly get the length I want, which will be about this one, and I'm going to use this for my template. That way it'll make sure all of the petals are the same size. So roughly need about 1.5 sticks to make the longer flowers. You can do smaller cuts to get smaller petals, but we're going to go with this size. And now we always end up with a little bit at the end, which we'll find a use for that. So then cut diagonally down your glass on that line you've just put. And you get some little diamonds. So we'll do a couple more. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll just do a couple more. Okay, so all we were doing, a very, very simple project. Take your glass, we are just going to soften off that point and this point, so just rounding the corner. So I take a little bit off first, and my cutters are on an angle. I'm just slowly biting just a little bit off that point, so you don't have a sharp point. It's sort of more of a rounder, so it's just ever so slightly. See how it's a bit more rounder opposed to the other side. Same thing again, cutters on an angle. You just want to grab it ever so slightly, and it's almost just grinding against it. If you've got a grinder, hey, then just do the grinding. But this is just a simple way if you don't have a grinder. And that is now one petal, and I'm going to take a little bit off the end, so that'll help for our little centre. So same thing again, take your point off, cutters at an angle, and you just want to slightly round it. Just bite it. Takes a little bit of practice, but once you've got it, it gets a bit easier. Tiny bit there, just biting. And you just continue around. So bottom off, round it ever so slightly. And just keep going around. You can put a centre in. I've just got these cute little Malay Flory ones. I'm going to find a little one. So you can have a little one like that. I've got these gorgeous, my favourites at the moment, the cubies. Just for something a little bit different, you can go around the edging. So these little guys, just for something different. Whoopsie daisy. As you can see, I've just got the little Milleflora in this one. Right, so we'll carry on. Point off the bottom, off the side, soften. Okay, and that is our little flower. So I probably did cut an extra 2 petals to make a bigger one, but all you'd need to do is to take out these little tiny ones, just have a tiny centre in, then it's less petals. So just another little trick with these petals that we've cut, we can actually get another 2 flowers. So for example, this one here, I'm going to cut in half. Cut in half. And what I'm going to do now is I've got this little shape here. I'm just going to round the tops. Tiny bit off the end. Put a little cubie in there. And now we're going to have little daisies out of the same petal. So same thing, round the top, bite the bottom. Bite the bottom, round the top. And that now gives you a different sort of flower. So these are quite good if you're doing flower murals. A little daisy, and we've still got these ones left over to make another one. There you go. So I hope you enjoyed that. We've got lots of glass sticks in the studio. I'll put a link into the to where you can find this on our website, so give them a go. We've got them in opaque, shimmer sticks, transparent, and the little cubies are just fantastic. There you go. Hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you on the next flower one.